Hi friends, welcome to Science with Ayazullah. And friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a respiratory system using cardboard. So let's start. So friends, the materials for the respiratory system are there are few cutouts. You have to cut this shape. This is the trachea and this is the bronchi. Few straws, two cutouts of the lungs in this shape, two balloons, and a glue gun. And friends, we need a base on which we have to stick these all. So friends, let's start. So friends, now I have sticked the cutouts onto a base. See friends, it's looking beautiful. And now friends, we have to make a base of straws like this. Here you have to keep a straw in middle and attach two straws where it have joints at both the ends. And down you have to attach two balloons at each side. And a big straw you have to attach it here. Make a hole in this straw middles and attach it. And when you blow, at both the ends, air should go and the balloon should inflate. See friends, like this. These will become our lungs. And now, we have to stick those straws in this way. See friends, we have to stick it. Friends, this part will become the mouth and this one the nose. So friends, now I have sticked the straw here, the straw base, and now when we blow air from here, the balloons will inflate. See friends. See friends. It's a very beautiful example for the lungs working. You also try it at home. So friends, the explanation behind this experiment is when we blow through the straw, the air passes through the straw and enters the balloon and the balloon inflates. And when we stop blowing, the balloon deflates. Same happens with our lungs. When we inhale air, our lungs expand, and when we exhale carbon dioxide, our lungs contract. So friends, if you liked my videos, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.